Madueke. Zubimendi! Well, as opening goals for a club go, that's pretty darn special.
Bergwald, 2-0. One long ball forward, and the Swede runs onto it.
Just Soboslai. Salah. Gravenberch! 10 minutes on the dot. And Gravenberch on the spot.
Stack strikes it, and Stack scores sensationally. Leeds United have turned it around, and how?
Panos, and the shot is in. What a finish that is! An unlikely source, Tyreek Mitchell, with an astonishing goal for Crystal Palace.
Well, here's Rodrigo Muniz, here's Iwobi again. Support from Sessegnon, and Wilson at the double. Fulham with 2 goals in double quick time.
5 minutes of stoppages remain. This is Martinelli. It's a great run over the top of Donnarumma, and it's in the 93rd minute. Second goal this week for Gabriel Martinelli.
At the other end of the field, it's Igor Thiago with no flag at this stage. And Igor Thiago thumps the ball resoundingly past a static, startled goalkeeper.